When I first started FemFounder, a little over 5 years ago, I was reading up on Pinterest. I was trying to get acquainted with how the platform worked, essentially what the benefit is to getting traffic and email subscribers and ultimately sales. And I learned that it's pretty much like a visual Google. For every single pin, you get a link for whether it's a blog post or a landing page, a tripwire, podcast downloads. Pinterest could be great for podcast downloads, but it really is coming up with a strategic framework that works for your particular target audience, and building your email list based off that target audience. Obviously, your pin designs have to resonate with target audience. It has to be on brand. But I find it to be pretty much an untapped resource for any online business, any e-commerce. And also, I have a client of mine that's based in Boston. She's a psychiatrist. She actually sells her course primarily through Pinterest, and all of her Amazon products. It could be a really good resource, unlike Instagram, which, Facebook. I don't even know anybody that's still using Facebook, but Instagram is totally saturated, and you only get the one link in your bio.